you need great quality supplements, guaranteed results, and verified for high quality? Do you want a partner that supports you in your quest for better health? If yes, you're in the right place. Our goal is to help people everywhere live a healthy and happy life. We at Supplements Valley manufacture and provide supplements from a USA FDA-registered facility that's GMP certified. Our health and skincare products satisfy the most discerning of customers with a 30-day 100% money-back guarantee. Our new and revolutionary state-of-the-art manufacturing facility uses efficient and sustainable equipment to produce pure and high-quality health products. Your body needs all the right nutrients to be strong and achieve more. Whether you're competing in demanding sports or striving for your personal best in workouts, Supplements Valley has state-of-the-art products developed specifically for your active lifestyle. From special formulations for pre-workout to improve strength, energy, and stamina, to powerful natural protein and whey to build lean muscle. Our high-quality ingredients and respected manufacturing give your body the potent energy blast to run the last mile, stay well, and achieve more than ever before. We also offer effective natural supplements for brain and other diseases, blood sugar, blood pressure, and many more health issues. Browse our pages for new additions and the very best of supplements. Then enjoy prompt shipping direct to your door. Welcome to Supplements Valley for the workout of your dreams. SupplementsValley.com. Premium supplements and premium service from people like you for you.